Good afternoon from Grand Valley Farm. Just got back from the tractor club meeting at the Ag Museum, and these piggies are telling me they're hungry. It's another beautiful day. There comes my dogs. They're barking at me. Thinking I'm a stranger. Calm down, dogs. I'm on the lookout for mice. They knock things off the shelf. Continue. Don't do that. Harold, hang on. Get you some food. The chickens all like they're starving. A strange cat that was in my barn is now in my coop. And strapped in here. I don't mind them eating the mice. I gotta get them out somehow. Harold! Can't hear nothing. Oh, so good. Got a cat stuck in my coop. Shelby's on that side. Miss Sally went back inside the barn, which that cat's not going to leave that way. I gotta figure out how to get this cat out of here. I scared my chickens to death. Well, you got yourself in this situation. The door is open. Hurry up before my chickens get out. I was trying to make the gate open further so to scare the cat out. Come on, Sally. Come on. Okay, we made a hole for the cat, and it keeps looking up instead of right in front of its face. Like right there, cat. Go! All right. Thanks for the help, Charlie. Hey! Hey! Leave that cat alone! Hey! All right. Now the cat's gone. The chickens are all over here wanting to see me. Good little chicken. Yeah, these blue stars are really nice chickens. They don't mind the pettings. They come to see you. Oh, Sally. Don't move too quick. Scare my chickens. Well, they only give me 6 eggs today. There'll probably be some more later. Here's the hole in the barn floor. We normally have that covered, but I think the dog moved the board. Anyway, I was sweeping up this grain the mice got into, and a cat popped out, and then got scared and ran into the chicken coop right over the top of the fence here. That's how the cat got in there. Yeah, don't be a pig. You want to ride? Come on. Get in there. Let's step on my glasses. It's kind of high gear to be driving these little lanes here. Let's take it a little wrench, and then I can't turn with the locker. There's Sally. So I'm riding in the Jeep now. Alright. A lot of landscaping done in the backyard. The tractor. So now we're going to go down there and green those pigs. They'll be happy to see us. All those friendly pigs. They're all waiting, hoping I give them grain. Isn't that right, Penelope? Oh, be nice. Be nice. Alright, let me get you grain. Okay, last time we found a cat. See, there's mice in there. Not sure how that cat got out of the floor. Hang on, Harold. Alright, got them grained and got my mess cleaned up here. The mice and the birds. Those ducks like eating outside the fence. But that was the stuff was on the floor. I swoop over there and they're happy. Well, I get back up to the house and wash my hands. I mess with mice and poop and stuff like that. I had to restock the mouse decon trap. Kind of yuggy. Okay, Molly's complaining because I gave them grass hay, not alfalfa. Her sister is eating it, and it's just fine. So I will give them some alfalfa a little bit later, but I want them to eat some grass too. Well, we're at the end of this beautiful day. Got a lot of stuff done here on the farm, and went to the tractor club meeting, and had a potluck and all kinds of neat stuff, and that was great. This has been an awful wonderful Saturday. Well, thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening.